Now in this video, I'll show you how we're using VideoPal on bonus pages. Now a bonus page, if you're not familiar with it, is a page called a bridge page. And a bridge page is where if you're trying to send affiliate traffic, you're an affiliate, you're trying to send traffic to a sales page, or for that matter, even if it was that Organifi example and so on, instead of directly sending it to that page, you could put a middle bridge page, as it's called. And with that page, you can build an email list, or you can give bonuses, or get your customers to know you better by putting a video and explaining your product. But more importantly than all that, in the bonus page, you can provide additional products that they can get for free if they purchase that product or service, which entices people. Statistically, it's been proven that if you provide bonuses for certain products, people are more likely to buy. It's the same thing where if two vendors come to you and they say, hey, one says, okay, buy the iPhone, it's $1,000, and the other guy says, okay, you can buy the same iPhone for $1,000, but I'll also add a case for free if you buy it from me. Now, who would you go? You go for the person who got you that case, which is a complimentary bonus, right? So it's the same scenario here. When you offer a complimentary bonus, people end up buying it. This is an example website I wanted to show you because I didn't want to show you live bonus pages examples of ours, because people will just copy the exact same format, and that's not a good way, right? You want to use unique things to you and not copy the exact design and so on, because when you do that, your conversion rates will drop, and it'll drop for everybody who's been using it. So that's the reason why this is an example page, just to show it for demonstration purposes only. But you get the idea of, in real life examples, how we use VideoPal on in bonus pages. So let me play this video and show you what we're really achieving here. What's our goal here, what we're trying to achieve.
You are in luck. You are at the right place at the right time. We just launched our brand new product and it's already getting 5-star rave reviews from our customers. The best part is, to celebrate the launch, we are offering a special early bird discount. You can get access to everything you see on this page plus the bonuses for a very special price, but only for a limited time. Get the discount now while it is still available. Do not hesitate to contact our dedicated support team if you have any question. See you on the inside.
So in this example, the call to action, right? The action you want your visitors to take is basically where you have a button here. When it's clicked, it will send the person to a relevant page, or bring the person down, right, to the page where you want attention to be seen, stuff like that. And another important aspect here is we want people to go to that, check out the bonuses first, and then go to that page and buy that product so you can get a commission, right? So that's what's being done here as well. That's why it's not building a list, because the focus of it is to make sales for that other offer. Now you could just as well build a list on this page as well, and on top of that you can also put exit intent technology, where somebody's trying to exit the page, you can show your VideoPal to build a list and that sort of thing as well. So you can maximize the traffic that you're getting and also build a list, and also on top of that get more sales out of the VideoPal application. All right, so this is a great way for you to use bonus pages if you're already using them. Now if you're not using bonus pages, you should start using them as a really good tool to get more sales. But with VideoPal, it will add it by double or triple, because majority of the time, if you don't want to create the video, explaining the bonuses and so on, let the VideoPal explain your bonuses, right? Use text-to-speech if you wish, or you can record your own audio, or get a professional to do the voiceover by giving them a script. It's totally up to you. You have all kinds of options available for you. And that is the reason why a lot of bonus pages from going forward and right now as well are using VideoPal, because it's improved their conversions rates by that amount. And it's just stunning because of the way it captures attention. So even if we didn't have a video here, it will still capture attention and is doing the selling for you, right? So in the next video, I'll be covering how you can use VideoPal in other markets, okay, in different markets. If it's the Spanish market, if it is an Italian market, German market, whatever it is. And on top of that, I'll also be showing you some examples how you can use it, where you can use your own existing videos, or you can get videos done professionally and import them into your VideoPal app, which means you'll have your own custom video done. So that's what I'll be explaining to you, how you can use it, and why you should be using it, in what scenarios you should be using it, and why it's so powerful as well. So see you in the next video.